everyone. In this video we're going to show you how to make a milk jug skull. To start off, you're going to want to take off as much of the paper label as you can. You can lightly use a heat gun and it will help loosen the glue, and then you can peel off the label. Next, you're going to want to use a sharp X-Acto blade or possibly scissors and very carefully cut off the handle of the milk carton. Then cut down the middle of the milk carton. Then you're going to want to get the skull that you want to replicate. This is much easier if the skull was mounted onto something that cannot move. Otherwise, you will have to do what I'm doing and hold it with one hand while you heat it up and cool it off with the other. To cool off the milk carton, use a sponge soaked in water, or like I'm doing, with a wet paper towel. Wear very thick gloves while doing this, or wear silicone heat-resistant gloves like I am doing. Also wear a respirator or gas mask, and have ventilation like a fan blowing, and a door open, as melting plastic releases fumes that you do not want to breathe in. Take your time, and you can go back over areas that you may have missed or want to do better again. I went over the entire skull, heating and soaking in water to cool. After you've finished heating up the plastic and soaked it in water to cool it down, you can carefully cut up the back with scissors. I cut it in 2 locations to help it release. Then you are finished and you have a milk jug skull. You can paint it or glue things to it, or tons of other creative ideas. I will be making a part 2 on how I add a skin to this skull, and will be making a horror severed head prop using this skull as a base build. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please share this with your friends, and if you make a milk jug skull, please tag us on social media. We would love to see it. Excelsior!